Here are the 5 biggest myths I see when people use statistics on people data in organizations. Number 1, that advanced statistics are better than basic statistics. That's just not true. We can learn so much by using basic statistics like mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviation to understand what's going on in our people data. Number 2, that correlation equals causation. We hear this one often enough, but it's still important to call out that even when you have a correlation between 2 items or 2 pieces of data, that doesn't always mean that you've explained what else could be causing this or the order that things happen. Myth number 3 is that we can actually predict the future. We can't predict the future. If anything, a prediction model is like a rear view mirror in a car rather than a car windshield. We can see a bit about where we might be going based on where we've been in the past, but we still have yet to see the curves in the road ahead. Myth number 4 is that the data doesn't lie. In fact, a lot of data can lie. Depending on how you show it, what you choose to leave out, the biases that are involved in the data, there is a lot that can sway the look of data, and it's not always as clean-cut as numbers might make it seem. And myth number 5 is that the data tells the whole story. Sometimes we're so eager to have a data-driven outcome that we forget about all the other factors and pieces that aren't included in what we're analyzing and we're looking at. So these are 5 of the biggest myths that I see on people data being used with statistics. I'm sure there are more that you can think of, but these are ones to get you started. And in fact, if you want to go deeper on them, I dive into each one of these myths and provide techniques and tools for how to bust them in a course called Using Statistics for HR in my HR Future Academy. I'll put the link down below if you want to go find it there.